Hi, I'm Simone Heng, the author of Let's Talk About Loneliness and a specialist on the topic of human connection. My book is a teachable memoir, meaning there are stories about my own trauma, experiences with loneliness, but it also extends to you, sharing the science, spirituality, and techniques on how we can be better socially connected. Everyone thinks there is only one way to get your message out there in the world. Be huge on social media and get a traditional publishing deal with the biggest publisher possible. I want to tell you that creative works have a life of their own. And if your message is meant to reach people, it will. There's nothing you can do to stop it. I flew from Singapore and was the only person from Southeast Asia at last year's Hay House Writers' Workshop in Edinburgh. It was there that I handed my already self-published book, From the Other Side of the World, to the team and was offered an amazing 2-book deal just a few weeks later. I want my story to inspire you to see that there are so many ways to get your book into the world. I want you to see you are worthy of putting yourself in new places and showing up. The world needs your message. I'll be sharing techniques on getting the confidence to be seen, pitch your book verbally with confidence, and why a huge social media following is not everything to publishers. The Hay House Writers' Workshop is in London on the 28th and 29th of October. I look forward to connecting with you there.